What are you doing down there?
It's time to lift the anchor.
Hey Cypress High, Assistant Principal Jackson here, talking about how you can better utilize advisory class. Advisory class is a great way to get caught up with your subjects. Not only getting caught up with your subjects, but if you go and your attendance is well and you pass it, you also get credit as an elective. Moving forward, there might be other alternatives for using advisory for like maybe possibly CPA makeup or whatever, but it's a great way, especially right now that it's midterm, to utilize advisory as catching up with your work that you're behind on and getting your classes ready to pass for the end of the quarter.
And now for your FBLA leadership.
Hi, I'm Michaela. I'm your FBLA Vice President, and my favorite thing about FBLA is the competitions.
Hi, my name is Delilah, and I'm your Media Officer for FBLA, and my favorite thing is the community service.
Hi, I'm Sadie. I'm your CEO of FBLA. Make sure to go to room 217, Mr. Salho, if you're interested in joining.
Hi, I'm Preston, and I'm your FBLA events planner. And my favorite thing about FBLA is socializing with everyone.
Hi, I'm Kevin, your FBLA treasurer, and my favorite thing about FBLA is making new friends.
Those are your weekly announcements, Pirates.
And remember, lift the anchor.